Hey, what's up guys? So finally after the long wait, the OneUi 8 is now finally available for the non-beta users of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. I have received this update on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so to update it simply go into the settings of your device, then tap on software update, then tap on download and install. From here you will get to see the new update. The last update was of 1st August 2025 security patch, so now I have received this new OneUi 8 update. There are multiple new changes available with the new update that we'll talk about further in the upcoming videos, so make sure to like and subscribe. So for today I will show you that how you can update it on the OneUi 8. So first of all you will have to download this update by tapping on update. This is a September security patch of 2025 with 4.1 gigabytes in size. Simply tap on update and the update will first of all download on your device. Once the update is downloaded you will have to restart it to install it. As you guys can see, it is now downloading and installing the update. So depending on your internet connection, the update will be downloaded, and once done, you will have to restart your device to complete the installation process. But make sure to install this when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use the device during this installation process. And once that is free, simply tap on restart now and your device will restart, and that's it. Now the OneUi 8 update will be installed on your device, as you guys can see. You will get this welcome from the OneUi 8.0. After tapping on start, it will show some of the Galaxy AI features and the changes. There are no as such new features available this time around with the OneUi 8 update. It is just enhanced version of the OneUi 7 update. After checking them all, simply tap on next and then you can tap on new features or the home button. Now you get to see these two options. You can tap on see what's new or tap on home to go to the home. These are all the new features and the changes available with the OneUi 8 update. One major change that is available with the OneUi 8 update is that the Android 16 update is finally available. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to inform you about this new OneUi 8 update available for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe and let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your device or not yet.